All right, hello. This is to help with number 4 from the homework from 5.4. And we're doing some synthetic division. And when you set up the window, remember you put the opposite of whatever is here. So basically, if you were setting it to 0 and solving it, you'd have -2, and that goes into the window. And then the tricky part about this one is there's gaps. So you have to go in order. This goes x to the 4th, but then there's a gap for the x cubed. We have an x squared, then there's a gap for the x to the 1st, followed by the constant. All right, so basically I have 1x to the 4th, no x cubes, -6x squareds, no x to the 1st, and a constant of -27. So I think the big thing here is remember you have two gaps in it. Okay, and then to actually complete the steps, again, you just add going down. So this is 1, multiply with the window, -2, add going down, multiply with the window, -2 times -2, add going down, multiply with the window, add going down, multiply with the window, -2 times 4, it's -8, add going down. Okay, and then this is just our answer with x cubed. Basically, it's one lower power. So I guess I always label right to left. So it's remainder, constant, x to the 1st, x squared, and x cubed. Okay, so we have 1x cubed, -2x squared, -2x, constant of 4, and then remainder of -35. So that whole thing on the end, that's really our answer right there. All right, so if I fill them in, it would go 1, -2, -2, 4, and -35 is what it would look like when you fill it in. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.